Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's do another fabulous craft using file folders. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers, and thank you all so much for choosing to spend a portion of your day with me. I know that you have viewing options. You can be anywhere right now doing anything, and you're choosing to spend that time with me, so thank you very much. Today we're going to do a very quick craft. I'm going to show you how we can take these awesome file folders, cut them down, and turn them into card bases. So when finished, we're going to be able to get 4 card bases that when folded measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then we're going to do some very light decorating to create some all occasion cards. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. Alright y'all, so here's a closer look at today's awesome project. And I promised you that we would be able to make 4 card bases using 1 file folder. And the card bases are going to measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And that's exactly what we're able to do. I'm going to show you the 4 cards that I made. I used some very light embellishments from some Anna Griffin card boxes that I have. I am a minimalist when it comes to decorating, and my cards tend to have a minimalist flair to them. But you can decorate these to the hilt if you want. I did use various Anna Griffin card boxes to make my card tops. On this one, I themed it for Easter, and you can see that we have Somebody Loves You. Very, very cute card, very simple. Then we have a thinking of you card. So if you just want to send a note to someone, letting them know that you're thinking about them, this is perfect. Then we have a card of encouragement for someone to enjoy their day. And finally, we have a birthday card. And I took this from the birthday paper doll toppers kit that she had out last year, or maybe the year before. And this one says, it's great to have a friend to grow old with. You go first. So all of the cards in this collection have a humorous flavor to them. But you're able to see how nice and pretty my cards are. They're very simple. And the base is a file folder. So here's what you're going to need. So I have a standard size file folder, and I'm going to show you how I cut this down. Now, if you don't have a file folder, that's okay, because you can make this project using your decorative cardstock or your solid colored cardstock. It's totally up to you. So all is not lost if you don't have these file folders on any of the crafts that I've been doing with the file folders. You can substitute decorative cardstock in the place of a file folder. But for those of you who do have file folders in your stash, we're simply going to take this and I am going to trim it to remove this piece. And it's folded, so I'm trimming with it folded. Then I'm going to put it in, and I am going to trim it at 8 1/2. So I now have 2 pieces that are 8 1/2 this way. So I'm going to turn it, and we are going to trim it on this long side at 5 1/2. And then we'll trim this piece to 5 1/2. And then we'll take this piece, do the same thing, trim it at 5 1/2. I do have a little bit of the designer's name on the back, no biggie for me. Then I'm going to turn it to 5 1/2 again. And now we have 4 beautiful card bases that measure 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. Very, very easy. So all we do now is we're going to take these, and on the 8 1/2 inch side, let's score at 4 1/4. We're going to score all of these at 4 1/4. And we're just going to fold. And so now I have my 4 card bases, and these are very pretty. I am going to do some very light decorating to these. We're going to keep it very simple, and I'll show you what I'm going to be using. So as I said, I have these pieces from various Anna Griffin card boxes, and then I have some of my petaloo flowers that we're going to use as well. And I am not going to be doing anything over the top. It is going to be as simple as taking this bunny and placing him down. So I'm just going to take some glue. If I wanted to, I could run these through my Xyron. And I'll take this one, and I'm just going to place it down. Getting that nice and stuck. And then I have this Happy Easter banner. I am going to take a little bit of glue, place the glue on my banner. You can actually pop it up with pop dots if you want, but I am just going to use some glue this time. And I'm going to take it and place it right across the top, just like that. And that is a very simple and cute way to get an Easter card. So there's one card. Then I'm going to take this one that says just a note. We're going to place it down just like this, doing nothing else to it. You can actually pull out your stickers and use your stickers as well. I'm just giving you some ideas of how I make cards when I make them, because I do like to keep it simple. Place that down. Go over that. And I'm going to bring in this one, which is a sympathy card, but this time I'm going to turn it this way so that it will fit. And how pretty is that? So placing my glue. And I'll take my card and I'll lay my topper down on the card base. And there we have card number 3. We are going to do card number 4 as a birthday card. This is from the Anna Griffin Paper Dolls collection. And this one says, "Happy birthday to someone smart, beautiful, talented, and reminds me a lot of myself." And I think I'm going to place that down right there. Then I'm going to take one of my little petaloos, open them, and we're probably going to put the petaloos right there on the card. So I'm going to go ahead and get the girl down first, and you can see some writing on the back of this card. It basically tells you, if you're using it as a paper doll, how you can layer these. So I'm going to take this, we're going to place it right there. I'm sure a lot of you remember playing with paper dolls when you were little. I think that's probably where my love of paper comes from. I used to love getting a pack of paper dolls. So I am going to place a glue dot on the back, and we're going to take the sprig and put it right there. That's pretty even without a sentiment, but of course we definitely want a sentiment. So I am going to take this one and I'm going to put it on just like that. And I am going to put this on just by adding some glue right there on that end, because I want it to sit up just a little bit without a pop dot. So I am going to take that and just put that right there. And now, y'all, we have our 4th beautiful card to go in that all occasion card set that I have started building. So the boxes that we made in the video that is linked in the description box is a great way to house cards like this. As you make them, put them in your box and then pull them out when you need them. And in the description box, I will give you the measurements for how to make an envelope that will hold these cards. So I have brought my first set of cards back in so that y'all are able to see that we can make 8 card bases from 2 file folders. So not only is this some very economical way to make some cards, but if you are using decorative file folders or decorative cardstock, then your background is pretty much already set for you, and all you need to do is add embellishments to your liking. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick and easy way that we can take file folders and then use those file folders to make greeting cards. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing, yes, it's amazing, online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.